If a child is to keep alive his inborn sense of wonder, he needs the companionship of at least one adult who can share it, rediscovering with him the joy, excitement, and mystery of the world we live in.
Hi, I'm Tyson Moner, 13 years old. I live in the Old Man River watershed, historically Blackfoot territory, just below where the St. Mary's joins the Old Man. Our riparian forest, with its 3 hybridized cottonwoods, is unique in the world. I started this presentation 2 years ago for our neighborhood nature club. In the beginning, my friends and I liked to go on nature walks. Currently, in the winter, we like to build snow forts and play in the coulees. In the spring, we like to watch the earth come to life. The summer, we like to walk and play in the coulees. Our goals are to help clean up our wild places, educate ourselves and other people about the environment, and leave the earth a better place. My Caring for Our Watershed proposal is to develop a network of neighborhood stewards and nature clubs on these 5 main areas. Gardening. This year, we help build up the soil by putting compost into it. In the soil, we found potatoes and onions growing from last year, and a lot of worms, the sign of a healthy soil. We add worm compost from the Helen Schuler Nature Center, with plots for neighbors who have then been inspired to go home and start their own gardens. On the bottom is a plan for my garden for this year. New this year, I am responsible for my great-grandma's garden on the top. A couple weeks ago, we helped reclaim untreated wood from the dumpster. Now we're using it to build garden boxes. Home and community gardens are a great way to build relationships and reduce pollution. Knowing our watershed. We get to know our place and our watershed by noticing the first signs of spring and trends. These flowers are now blooming in our coulees. We learn the ones that we can eat. We also learn about the hazards such as ticks, black widows, and rattlesnakes. This picture was taken on the divider between our house and our neighbors.
We get to know nature and build our artistic skill through painting, drawing, and music.
Caring for our watershed. Every year we help in coulee cleanups throughout the city. A couple weeks ago, we saw a city truck coming behind our house after it had been raining. It got stuck and slid down the coulee. 5 or 6 other trucks came in and tried to pull it out. They made a real mess of the native grass. Through educating ourselves and others, we hope to prevent that from happening again. We reinstated native grass into our backyard. While that was growing, a wave of sunflowers came through. Environmental technology and exploration. I am responsible for a model solar car kit, and I teach peers about the different alternative energies. We also host book discussions on nature-themed topics. Living in our neighborhoods. This winter we flooded the lake in our neighborhood to make an ice rink so we did not have to go indoors. We also have a lot of fun building quincies, shoveling snow, and sledding. We were able to go sledding this week, surprisingly in May, because we had a snowstorm. We also bike in and around our community to save, to reduce pollution. I plan to go deeper in my understanding and ability to care for our watershed with peers and inspiring parents and children to develop neighborhood nature clubs. I'll do this through designing a webpage with guided discovery. I plan to offer presentations and workshops, which will also help promote the website.
Presentation, Tyson. I like your ideas. Have you had an opportunity to talk to other like-minded people in other communities to do similar work there?
Yes.
What communities have you looked at?
Our neighboring communities in Lethbridge.
Congratulations, Tyson. I commend you on your ethic of stewardship. I'm just wondering, what's your timeline to get this website up and running?
By mid-September.